thought you had some kind of love for your man. Well, I'm not trying to break up something you've been working out. You've been steady, but I'm ready to go all the way if you let me. Don't you tell me you're looking